to help me announce all the exciting things we're looking forward to. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong mga celebrity guests, panelists, and judges joining us for the Q&A session. So please help me welcome each of them on stage, starting things off with movie and TV director from TV5, Direct Mac Alejandre. Thank you very much for joining us, sir. Have a seat. Next up, we have a bona fide award-winning actress that has captured the hearts of many. Please help me welcome Miss Jasmine Curtis Smith. Moving on, we have the president of MediaQuest and Media5. Please help me welcome Miss Jane Jimenez Batas. And at this point, we'd like to announce once again that TV5 is the official TV partner for SM Little Stars. Thank you so much for having us. We're very excited. A big round of applause, please, for that. Let's move on. Calling back on the stage now, the Vice President for Advertising of SM Supermalls, Miss Grace Magno. Up next, we have the Marketing Manager for SM Supermalls, Miss Lynn Lazaro. We've also got some experienced achievers joining us from past SM Little Stars contests, starting with SM Little Stars Achiever Batch 2009, Mr. J.M. Ibanez. We also have here with us today SM Little Stars Achiever Batch 2012, Maki Dulalia. Our third achiever joining us is an SM Little Stars Achiever from Batch 2012, Vince Angeles. And we actually have one more member for the panel, theater and television actor and director, Mr. Odi Hemora. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it today, pero okay lang yan kasi may video message siya mamaya para sa lahat ng mga guests natin at sa mga future and past contestants, so we can all look forward to that. At this point though, I'd like to ask everybody from the panel if they can share something that we can look forward to, share their own experiences or anything else that you might have an insight with the SM Little Stars 2015 contest. So, can we start with Direk?
Magandang umaga, tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa TV5 at sa SM. At narito ako para maging bahagi ng ganitong klaseng program.
And dancing when it comes to the kids. It goes way beyond that. It's about educating, it's about cultivating, and making them better individuals in general. So thank you so much for that. Next, we have Miss Grace Magno once again.
Well, I just wanted to say that it's even beyond the Philippines, no? Because like I said, it started in China. And every year, we invite the ones who won in China, SM China, to come to the Philippines and perform. And you,
Lynn Lazaro.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you. I've been handling this competition for, I think, 7 years already. So, this is really close to my heart, and I really observed that this contest has consistently been an avenue for aspiring little kids to show their talents, diba? To really to always create an excitement to all the viewers, to all the parents, and also to become superstars of their own. So.
And I'd also like to acknowledge really quickly, seeing as we're here at the Block SM City North EDSA, we'd like to acknowledge mga kids naman na si JM, Maki, and Vince. So ano siguro yung advice na maiibigay nyo sa mga contestants this year? Tapos mag-share naman kayo ng mga experiences nyo dun sa contest. JM?
Good morning po ba? Okay. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. At saka po yung mga advice ko na ibibigay ko sa mga bata na gusto pong sumali sa SM Little Stars ay huwag po silang kabahan at saka po dapat po confident po sila. Kasi po pag kinakabahan po kayo, mawawala po kayo. Ako po dati, nilalaro-laro ko lang po yun. Tapos po, pagdating ko po sa stage, ayun po, na ginawa ko na po yung best ko, kaya po ako nanalo. At saka po, yung mga experience ko naman po, ay super saya po ako. Kasi po, marami po akong natutunan doon, marami din po ako naging friends, marami din pong events, pero hindi lang po ako nakana sa China. Kasi po dati wala pong trip to China eh. Pero po, yung events po, pinaka-favorite ko dun bowling. Kasi first time ko eh. Sige po, thank you po.
Thank you, JM. Don't worry, no? Maraming mga taga-SM dito. Hingi tayo ng ticket to China mamaya, okay ba? So yun yung advice niya. Don't be nervous, have fun, pero do your best pa rin. Thank you so much, JM. Up next, Maki, ano yung may bibigay mong advice sa mga future contestants sa SM Little Stars?
Sa lahat ng mga kids dyan, huwag na kayo mag-isip na sumali ba ako or hindi. Sumali na kayo kasi magkakaroon kayo ng maraming friends dito, tapos ang daming prizes, tapos huwag kayong kabahan. It's okay, matalo man o manalo, okay lang, basta ginawa mo yung best mo. Do you want to have the same experience as mine? Come and join SM Little Stars now.
Wow naman! Mature na mature yung speech. Very, very well said. So matalo man or manalo, everybody's a winner pa rin, di ba, Maki? Because you still win prizes, you still make lots of friends, and you still have fun. Thank you so much. Last but not least, of course, si Vince Angeles. Ano yung message mo sa mga tao ngayon?
Sa SM Little Star, hindi ko po talaga makakalimutan yung nangyari doon. Kasi meron po ako natutunan maging confident, tsaka hindi po mahiya. Dahil dati po nung sumayaw po ako sa school, di po ako sumayaw dahil nahiya po ako. Pero nung sumayaw po ako sa SM Little Star, nawala po confident ko dahil sobrang saya ko po. Thank you.
Thank you. Kita-kita, confident na confident nga talaga si Vince. Thank you so much for that. Thank you to our panelists. And like I said earlier, we do have one more member, si Mr. Audie Hemora po, and he prepared a video message para sa ating lahat. So, please watch this.
Hello everybody, this is Audie Hemora and I am so pleased to be asked to